So where can you go to actually start finding games to practice sound design in? So there are tons of resources out there, including Unity or Unreal, giving you tons of resources and free games to actually put your sounds and music into. Firstly, at the time of this recording, Unity just released a new first-person shooter that's kind of Overwatch-esque that you can practice your sound design in. Granted, this one is a little more advanced, so if you don't have any implementation experience, it might be tough to actually start putting stuff into, but you can replace the sounds that are already there to at least get an idea of how things work. Next, middleware like Wwise and Fmod also have practice games out there. You can even download the Wwise adventure game that is also on their website. Again, there are links down below. And you can start hooking up sounds in Wwise to actual games so you can see how things are triggered and how things work and what the various windows and various parameters all do. And the fine folks at Power Up Audio released their Fmod project for their sounds in the game Celeste. So you can follow their tutorial, again, linked below, so you can actually see how these things are all done and how they're hooked up and how each of the sounds are even made. There are even books on how to implement your sounds into the Unreal Game Engine. This is, again, all linked below. And I also recommend another channel on YouTube called Cujo Sound, C-U-J-O Sound, linked below once again, so that you can see how you can actually start hooking up your sounds from Wwise into Unity starting from scratch, so you can see how all of these things start to interact and start practicing how to get your sounds into a game. These aren't the only resources that are out there, but that's plenty to get you started. So if you enjoyed that game audio FAQ, please make sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you get notified, literally what every other YouTuber on the planet tells you to do. And also sign up for my newsletter where I give you access to 2 free courses that'll teach you how to work, negotiate, network, and get paid in the game industry.